Reiki, originating from Japan, is a healing technique that involves the channeling of universal life force energy through a practitioner's hands. The word Reiki itself translates to universal life energy, reflecting its purpose of restoring balance and promoting overall well-being. At its core, Reiki is based on the idea that an unseen life force flows through us and is what causes us to be alive. The principles of Reiki, 5 pillars. Central to Reiki practice are the 5 Reiki principles, which serve as a guide for living a harmonious and mindful life. These principles include concepts like, just for today, I will not be angry, and, just for today, I will be grateful. Incorporating these principles into your daily routine can lead to a more serene and centered existence. In the early 20th century, the founder of Reiki, Mikao Usui, was said to have received his enlightenment and the ability to channel healing energy during a 21-day meditation retreat on Mount Kurama in Japan. However, it's believed that the story of his enlightenment might have been embellished over time. Some researchers suggest that Usui's background and training might not align with the traditional narrative, and there's a possibility that the Mount Kurama story was added later to enhance the mystical origins of Reiki. Despite the historical uncertainties, Mikao Usui's teachings and the practice of Reiki have become widely embraced around the world as a powerful tool for healing and spiritual growth. The Reiki session experience. During a Reiki session, a practitioner uses their hands to lightly touch or hover above the recipient's body. The intention is to allow the free flow of energy, removing blockages and promoting relaxation. Many report feelings of warmth, tingling, or deep relaxation during a session, which can lead to reduced stress and improved mental clarity. Healing beyond the physical. Reiki's effects extend beyond the physical body. It's believed that Reiki can address emotional imbalances, relieve anxiety, and even aid in spiritual growth. By addressing the holistic aspects of a person, Reiki aims to create harmony between the body, mind, and spirit. Scientific understanding and skepticism. While Reiki's healing mechanisms may not yet be fully understood by mainstream science, many individuals report positive experiences and benefits from practicing and receiving Reiki. However, skepticism exists, with some attributing the effects to the placebo effect or personal beliefs. Regardless, the relaxation and sense of well-being achieved through Reiki cannot be ignored. Learning Reiki and becoming a practitioner. Interested in becoming a Reiki practitioner? There are various levels of Reiki training, each involving attunements to increase your ability to channel and work with the healing energy. With dedication and practice, you can learn to harness this energy for self-healing and for helping others on their wellness journeys. A contemporary approach that merges the ancient wisdom of Reiki with cutting-edge scientific understanding. In a world where science and spirituality are converging, quantum energy alignment offers a new perspective on energy healing, mindfulness, and holistic well-being. The quantum connection. Quantum energy alignment recognizes that everything, including our bodies and thoughts, is made up of vibrating energy fields. Quantum physics has shown us that energy is interconnected, and our intentions can influence the behavior of this energy. In this modern approach, we embrace the concept that our intentions and consciousness play a vital role in shaping our reality. Enhanced energy techniques. Building upon Reiki's foundational principles, quantum energy alignment incorporates advanced techniques for channeling and directing energy. Practitioners might utilize visualization, sound therapy, color therapy, and even biofeedback devices to enhance the flow of energy and encourage balance within the body's energetic systems. Mind-body integration. Modern quantum energy alignment places a strong emphasis on the mind-body connection. Combining mindfulness practices with energy work, individuals are encouraged to explore their emotions, beliefs, and thought patterns. By addressing these aspects, practitioners can tap into their own healing potential and bring about holistic transformation. Technological integration. Harnessing technology, modern quantum energy alignment could involve the use of biofeedback devices, wearable sensors, and even virtual reality environments. These tools provide real-time feedback on the body's energy flow, allowing individuals to visualize and engage with their energetic states in new and innovative ways. Customized energy plans. A contemporary approach recognizes that each person's energy system is unique. Practitioners of quantum energy alignment might develop customized energy plans for clients, taking into account their specific needs, goals, and energetic imbalances. These plans could combine various techniques and tools to create a personalized healing journey. Scientific validation and collaboration. A modern approach seeks to bridge the gap between spirituality and science. Practitioners of quantum energy alignment might collaborate with researchers to explore the effects of energy healing on the body, mind, and emotions. By gathering empirical evidence, this approach aims to provide a more comprehensive understanding of energy healing's impact. While Reiki's history is often associated with Japan, its influence has reached far beyond its birthplace. In the case of New York, the practice of Reiki has taken root and flourished, contributing to the city's diverse array of alternative healing modalities. One significant figure in bringing Reiki to New York is Hawayo Takata. She was born in Hawaii but spent a significant portion of her life in the United States. In 1937, Takata traveled to Japan seeking healing for various health issues. During her time there, she learned Reiki from Chujiro Hayashi, a direct student of Mikao Usui, the founder of Reiki. Takata's health improved through Reiki, and she became the first Westerner to learn the practice. After returning to the United States, Takata began teaching Reiki in Hawaii. Her dedication and efforts to spread Reiki caught the attention of students and practitioners from all over the world. One of her students, Barbara Weber Ray, eventually moved to New York and continued sharing Reiki in the city. In the decades that followed, Reiki gained popularity in New York's alternative healing scene. Practitioners established Reiki training centers, wellness centers, and healing studios throughout the city. Reiki workshops and sessions became more accessible to the public, offering individuals an opportunity to experience its potential benefits. Over time, New York's diverse population embraced Reiki, contributing to its integration into the city's cultural fabric. Reiki practitioners from various backgrounds and healing traditions came together, creating a vibrant and inclusive community dedicated to holistic well-being. Today, you can find numerous Reiki practitioners, training centers, and events throughout New York. The practice has become an integral part of the city's holistic health landscape, offering a range of services for individuals seeking relaxation, stress relief, emotional balance, and overall wellness. In essence, Reiki's journey in New York reflects the city's spirit of openness, diversity, and willingness to embrace alternative healing practices. As the city continues to evolve, Reiki remains a valuable tool for individuals seeking a holistic approach to health and healing in the midst of the bustling urban environment. As we conclude our exploration of Reiki, it's clear that this ancient practice holds a special place in the realm of holistic healing. Whether you're drawn to its spiritual aspects or seeking relief from stress and emotional turmoil, Reiki offers a pathway to balance and well-being. Remember, as with any healing modality, personal experiences may vary, and it's important to approach Reiki with an open mind and a willingness to explore its potential benefits. If you've tried Reiki before or are considering giving it a shot, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on alternative healing and personal growth. Until next time, stay balanced and keep exploring the fascinating world of holistic wellness.